Greetings and welcome to video number 54. Today I'm excited because we have the first ever in the collection, the first scale 118 Mclaren. And as it says right there, this is the 600 LT Coupe, and of course, obviously, before we get to the car, we have to unbox it. I will say before that though, this is my first car model from the Solido brand. So, a little extra excited because I really don't know what I'm getting myself into this time. But yeah. Oops, my backdrop. Not my backdrop. Okay, that real. Now we can start. Anyway, first things first, of course, the tape. One thing I will say I already prefer about... Okay, my backdrop is not obedient today. Anyway, one thing I already prefer about Solido over the other brands I've tried is, well, I mean, you can keep it in the box. It looks terrific because you have views of all sides except the passenger side. But, well, most others you only have the top and front window. But here we have this little plastic window. But there it is. I also like how this whole thing comes with like a little frame inside, so the car is a little more protected than your usual car model. Anyway, there's the box. Let me guess, there's screws on the other side. Ooh, wait, what's this? Ooh, okay, I know what that is. We'll get to that in a minute. Before that, I have to unscrew it. 4 screws this time. I'll fast forward it as usual so you aren't bored. Alright, the screws in the back are way longer than the front. No biggie. Of course, you can keep this stand. I mean, it has the name of the car on there, but I don't intend on doing that. As with all the scale 18 cars I have, I just keep it with the rest in a miniature parking garage like setup, because I like to pick them up and open them in and experience the car like it's as close to the real car as I can. I got that off. Now we can look at the car itself. All right. Now we can look at the Mclaren 600 LT. Starting from the front, we have all the fancy Mclaren curves and angles. It's better with the camera focus, but lots of cool fins and angles and curves. As usual with these Mclaren, in any car of this price and, well, level, any car like this, the headlights are nicely, I guess you could say, woven into the bodywork. Very nice. There we got the Mclaren logo. There, now you can see it. Very detailed and small. I like it. We have little windshield wipers. I don't know why I'm pointing that out on this car model, but I guess I am. And really, really detailed wheels. They look spectacular. They aren't loose, so you can't make them spin. But they do look very nice. Do they turn? Ooh, they turn, but they stay. Okay, I like that. And there you can see the wheel does turn. Yeah, but here you can also see that this is really the only coloring on this car model besides all the black. It's just these orange brake calipers. There's also a little orange on the side fin with the 600 LT right there. And here we have this big side intake channel. We also have a small one on top of the door going into the rear fender. Then big side fender as well. Nothing interesting on the roof. And another cool thing I like, we have an actual window on this car model. I don't know why a car model with a window just looks way better than without a window. It looks more like the real car. And we do have the usual reflective side mirrors. Nice. And the gas cap is on this side. Cool. And the back wheels, the brake disc is not connected to the wheel, but here you can also see the rear wheels are one axle, but you can see the e-brake is right there. I guess they decided to put the e-brake there and not leave it connected. So the brake disc does not move with the wheel, unfortunately. As you saw, it does move with it on the front though, but that is very interesting detail. The McLaren on the back, we have the big McLaren logo, 600 LT, where the license plate goes. Big fancy rear diffuser with all these nice fins. And the taillights are also very nicely shaped. We can only see like the daylight running brake lights. We also have this nice rear wing that is fixed in place. It don't move. This is the engine cover. I'm guessing that it does not open because McLaren does not like you opening any of their engines. So yeah, it looks like this does not open whatsoever. There you have it. That's kind of it. Now, before I opened the doors, and I strongly believe they do open, but we had this thing that was on the underside of that stand, and I'm pretty sure this is the door opener. There you can see it's a little flat end piece. It looks like we're supposed to stick it in the wedge where we can gently open it, but I don't think I need that because we have this nice ridge right here to grab onto. But it is nice butterfly doors that sadly do not stay open, but that side does. Odd. Okay, the passenger side door does stay open, but here we can see a very nicely detailed, or mostly the floorboard right here is completely barren, but the nice interior. The door, not much to see there. But this is the way the doors are supposed to open. I'm sad that this driver's side door does not stay open, but there you can see the interior, the infotainment system, and steering wheel. There is an orange stripe on the steering wheel, and the door will stay. No, it won't. But yeah, the steering wheel does turn inside. But yeah, okay. The door does not stay open. Unfortunately, is there like anything I'm missing? I don't know. I don't think so. I think it's just the hinge is unusually loose, but we do get the passenger side door to open, and it does look stunning. But yeah, got the good old butterfly doors. This is a very detailed car model. You would be able to see more detail if it wasn't, you know, the void, just black. But this is certainly, definitely, without a doubt, not a play model. This is detail model. Those doors would snap right off if you rough them, so I'm gonna keep them closed. But yeah, it's very sturdy build. I don't think the front opens. Yeah, it doesn't. There's a front on the real car, not here. I don't know. Let me double check the engine. Who knows? Maybe it does open for some reason. We can see that the exhausts do go in quite a way though, so that's a nice detail. But yeah, the engine is a no-go with this McLaren, unfortunately, but that's normal for McLaren. But yeah, that's kind of it. I do wish this door stayed open, but it does not. But yeah, very nice, very proper McLaren car model. So, but thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Again, thank you for helping me reach 300 subscribers. I never thought I'd be this high in subscribers at this time, because I'm still over like, I don't think I'm quite 1.5 years in, but still, I'm really happy with where I've been able to go, and I can't wait to see where I go next. So please like and subscribe if you'd like, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the first McLaren in the collection, or scale 18 McLaren, and I shall return.